you know fish cough? So in this video I am going to tell you why fish cough. Every now and then fish uses its gills to take oxygen from water. When particles get into their gills, it interrupts their ventilation cycle. Fishes cough to remove the particles from their gills. Not only the particles, it removes bacteria also. For such videos, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.